Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle Database 21c new features. We are going to see quickly some interesting new features. This tutorial contains description of all the Oracle Database Release 21c new features as well as complementary details as practices for key new features. Learning database new features. The latest innovation release of the world's most popular database release, Oracle Database 21c, is now generally available cloud first in the Oracle Cloud Database Service Virtual Machine for rack and single instance and bare metal service single instance. It's also available in the Autonomous Database free tier service in Ashburn, AAD, Phoenix, Frigates, Frankfurt, FRA and London LHR regions. General availability of Oracle Database 21c for non-on-premises platforms including Exadata, Linux and Windows will follow along on 2021. So now they have released the innovation release. For innovation release, it's for 2 years support. Let's see the new features. Enabling a data-driven future, Oracle has consistently taken the approach that storing and managing data in a converged database is more efficient and productive than breaking up into multiple single-use engines, which inevitably results in data integrity, consistency, and security issues. Simply put, a converged database is a multi-model, multi-tenant, multi-workload database. Oracle Database fully supports multiple data models and access methods, simplifies consolidation while ensuring isolation, and excels in typical database workload use cases, both operational and analytical. The 21st generation of Oracle Converged Database therefore offers customers best of breed support for all data types, example, relational, JSON, XML, spatial, graph, OLAP, and etc. And industry learning performance, scalability, availability, and security for all their operational, analytical, and other mixed workloads. Oracle Converged strategy also ensures that the developers benefit from all Oracle Database 21c key capability, example, asset, transaction, read consistency, parallel scans, and DML, online backup, etc. Freeing them to focus on developing application without having to worry about data persistence. The new feature in Oracle 21c database. This is latest innovation release introduces a number of new features and enhancements that further extend database use cases, improves developer, analyst and data scientist productivity, and increases query performance. The blockchain tables. Blockchain as a technology has promised much in terms of solving many of the problems associated with the verification of the transaction. While considerable progress has been made in bringing this technology to the enterprise, a number of problems exist, arguably at the large being the complex nature of building applications that can support a distributed ledger. Oracle Database 21c addresses this problem with the introduction of blockchain table. These tables operate like any normal heap table but with a number of important differences. The most notable of this being that rows are cryptographically hashed as they are inserted into the table, ensuring that the row can no longer be changed at a later date. Okay. And then zero downtime time zone upgrade. One important thing about this is the DST patch record startup upgrade, meaning it is not a rack rolling patch and standby database have to be in mount and not open. With this feature, not only these patches are rack rolling patches and standby can be open. They will be installed while the database is up and running. Very cool. Maybe they will be enabled part of RU and RUs now. Yes, very interesting. New feature this one. Zero downtime times on upgrade. This is very much interesting. New feature in Oracle 21C. New skill set operators. Set operators are union, minus, and intersect. With 21C, we have some new operators except identical to minus, except all. Takes into consideration all rows for the except or minus. For example, if one row source is AAB and the other one is AB, then the first one minus the second one will be written no rows because both and A and B exist in the second set. But the first one except all, the second one will written A because only one exists. A exists in the second set. Intersect all. Intersect returns all values that they exist both set, but the result will contain each value once. Intersect all returns the value that number of times it appears on both sides. Expressed in initialization parameters. This is also one of the nicest new feature, and until now initialization parameter could only have a specific value. Now you can have the various expression based on the different initialization parameters. For example, alter system set pg underscore aggregate underscore target equal to sg underscore target slash by 4. Yeah, very cool feature, right? Absolutely. Okay, let's move on. Data pump checksums. Data pump can now add a checksum for the data pump file using the checksum equal to yes option. This can assure that the file was not changed or tampered with before trying to import. Absolutely cool feature. Data pump checksums. Yeah. Auto upgrade automation for data guard and rack. For data guard, when using an auto upgrade to upgrade the database, it will automatically perform data guard operation like disabling and enabling broker, deferring log file transport while the database is being upgraded. For rack, auto upgrade will use a service detail stop instances, handle different insertion parameters such as cluster database and rest services. Absolutely cool feature. Auto upgrade automation, data guard and rack. Okay. Auto upgrade converts non-CDB to CDB. As a non-CDB architecture is not supported anymore, auto upgrade will take the necessary steps to convert the non-CDB database to CDB database. Absolutely cool feature. Attention log. This is a new log in XML or JSON format and it will contain messages that require the DB attention. So no more scanning that alert log for errors or messages. That is, the attention log should contain these messages only them. Wow, wow, wow. Cool feature, attention log. So we no need to monitor the alert log. We have another log, attention log. Whatever the errors contains, we can monitor, we can look it over this attention log. Very good feature. Next, SQLnet log enhancement. Oracle added a new connection identifier. This identifier will appear in CMAN log, the listener log, and the client and the server logs. With this identifier exists in all log, it will be much easier to troubleshoot an issue. Absolutely splendid new feature. We can troubleshoot like anything in the connection failure and issues, any issues in the connection identifier. Read only Oracle Home default. Oracle introduced read only Oracle Home in 18C. Now also 2019C also. In 2021C it is now the default behavior. Okay, nice. Automatic materialized views. Oracle will now be able to create and maintain materialized views without user interaction. Absolutely. Very good feature, new feature. Prepare database for a data guard. This is a new MGMR command. It gets details about the database such as unique name and size of the DB recovery file test parameters and such everything needed for database to be ready to data guard up configuration. Very cool features. So far we have discussed all the features. Very nice feature. So understanding the innovation and the long-term releases, you must understand, and Oracle Database 21 is an innovation release for customers to innovate faster with the new and enhanced functionality or workload use cases and applications that could benefit accordingly. Customers should be aware that unlike long-term releases, innovation releases have a limited support window, typically approximately 2 years only. Therefore, in the interest of maintaining business continuity, customers still running on prior releases, example 11CR2, 11C, 12CR1, 12CR2, 18C, are encouraged to upgrade to Oracle Database 19C, the current long-term release with support through to April 2027. I feel better. Still, I feel better. It's Oracle 19C is that a good database release version since it's having long-term release support. But Oracle 21C also having a lot of new features, but it is an innovation release and it is that the support window typically it's 2 years only. So I recommend you all to go with Oracle database 19C. As soon as possible, your databases needs to be upgraded to Oracle 19C. That should be fine because it's having long-term support through April 2027. Alright. Summary. In this tutorial mentioned some interesting new features only. There are so many features available. If you are interested, go the new features guide and take a look at all the good stuff. It's coming to Oracle database soon. For this tutorial, I prepared for the references. I'll make docs.oracle.com sites as well as the blogs.oracle.com introducing Oracle 21C referral link I have mentioned here. So that's all, friend. This is what Oracle Database 21C new features we have learned and we have seen some interesting new features. Okay, let's see some other video like Oracle 19C Golden Gate replication in my next video. We will see you all. Until then, stay tuned. Oracle F1 channel. Subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to click bell icon. Until then, you will get whenever I will post my video, you will get a notification immediately. So don't forget to click bell icon. Please subscribe and share your DBA friends. This is exclusively for DBA knowledge sharing channel. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. Thanks. Bye bye.